Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all new here, welcome. My name is Alexus. If y'all old, hey y'all, how y'all doing? How y'all feeling? So boom, today y'all I decided I'm gonna just do a cook with me right here. I'm just cutting up some bell peppers. Um, Today I wanted to do some like a honey jerk shrimp with some peppers and then some sweet potatoes and some broccoli. Yo, I've been trying to like just eat better. I no longer eat meat, so I've been trying to find different ways to like make seafood. I guess I'm a pescatarian now. Like I don't eat chicken, turkey, pork. What else is there? Like beef. I don't eat any of that anymore, but I do still eat like seafood. And somebody always tell me like, oh well, you eat seafood, that's still meat. So yeah, I'm a pescatarian. But yeah, so I'm just gonna cut up some bell peppers, right here, and then like some onions, y'all, and I forget what else I cut up. But yeah, I just want to take y'all along with me while I make this meal. I'm gonna just keep popping in and out. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see me cut up everything, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright, y'all. So after I cut the peppers and the onions, add them to the pan. I add some garlic powder, some onion powder. Where is it? Where is it? Boom, some onion powder. I added some jerk seasoning. Yo, this is like just like the actual season, not like the wet jerk. So this is like some jerk seasoning that I add. I get this from ShopRite or Fresh Grocer, whichever one. If you have that near you. And I add a little bit of seasoning salt. Yo, I don't like put in like seasoned salt or actual salt in my food. I just season it with whatever seasons I use because they always have salt in it. So yeah, that's one thing. Like I don't usually add seasoned salt or salt to my food, but there I did that. Yeah, I'm just mixing it up or whatever. And I think I wound up adding like some brown sugar in there too, just so it wouldn't be too spicy. I'm just gonna let that cook and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so I just peeled my shrimp, and I washed them off. So right here, I just add some Old Bay, some jerk seasoning. We was getting down to the end of the bottle, so yeah. Some garlic powder, some onion powder. And then I sprinkle a little bit of sugar on there. Again, like I said, I like my food to be sweet and spicy. And everybody don't like the food as spicy as I like it. So I be adding just like a little bit of sugar so this don't be too spicy. Yeah, and I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna add it into my my peppers and my onions. Now, y'all, I like to cook my peppers down like a good amount in my onions because I do not like crunchy onions, y'all. I cannot stand raw onions. They are so like nasty to me. I don't like them. And I like my peppers to be hard. I like them to be like, on a little bit on the softer side. So yeah, I like to cook my peppers down a good amount before I add my shrimp to it. So that's what I did here. And then I'm going to just throw the shrimp inside the pan. And I'm adding some butter first. And I'm going to throw the shrimp inside the pan. And we're going to go from there. them sweet potatoes were so hot when I was pulling it. Like, them sweet potatoes were so freaking hot. But y'all, I was so ready to be done cooking. Like, I was tired. But after I peeled them and I cut them up, I added some cinnamon, and I went ahead and I added some of this agave. I think that's how you pronounce it, agave. Basically like an organic sweetener. Instead of using like a bunch of sugar or whatever, I just used it, y'all, and it actually like has a really good flavor to it. And then I wound up throwing some butter on there, and then after the butter, I actually went in with a little bit more cinnamon. And yeah, that was it, y'all. That's actually gonna be the end of this video. I wind up cooking my broccoli off camera because it's just broccoli, y'all. I just used the steam in the bag, so I put it right in the microwave. Let it cook for a little bit, took it out, threw it in a bowl, and I added some Old Bay, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. Mixed it up real good, and then I served it. And yeah, so this is actually how the food came out. That's the sweet and spicy jerk shrimp with some peppers and onions, some sweet potatoes, and some broccoli. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all, I do not like doing voiceovers. So let me know like how this came out. But yeah, I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see from me. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and always put God first. And I'm going to see y'all later.